birds chirping, coffee. Now we're gonna get some meat birds. Here on our hidden acre, we are excited because in this video we're gonna see our little trip, well actually not me, I didn't go this time, but our trip to Meyer Hatchery to pick up our meat birds. And then when we were there, of course, something else happened. So stay tuned for We've been doing chickens now for about a year, actually over a year now, a year and a half, and we've been doing great with our eggs and everything like that. Actually, our supply doesn't even keep up with our demand. So to make that next step, we've been kind of adding some hens here and there, but we actually thought our best next opportunity was going to be getting into meat birds. We love eating chicken here on our hidden acre, and smoking it, grilling it, using it in buffalo dip, many things that we like to do with chickens. And so we decided that we wanted to get into meat birds this year finally. And so through doing a lot of research and watching videos and just really kind of getting into it, we are going to go into the fire and start raising our own meat birds, and that includes from beginning to harvest. One of the best things we've been doing, or I've been doing actually to start with, one of the best things has been reading Joel Salatin's Pasture Poultry Profits book. We are also watching a lot of the John Siskovich Farm Marketing Solutions, looking through that, looking through a whole bunch, but really we're also doing this mostly for ourselves and the meat birds that we want to do and raise them humanely, but really, do the slow food options. Knowing that I'm overweight myself, and really just kind of working on that. That's one of the reasons that we want to do chickens, but also just to get that connection with it, and also if we can make a little bit of profit here to supplement us here on the hidden acre, it'll be nice for us. When you're inside Meyer, you get to just kind of look around, and one of the best things of Meyer is that they have, during their hatch weeks, extra bins that are the birds that didn't get bought. And so while we're there picking up our meat birds, our chicken math got messed up, and as you can even tell, Meyer Hatchery did a little post on their Instagram for us, but we had just that. So during that time, I got a text that, hey, we're going to be bringing home 8 more hens. So I had to go home and quickly build up another brooder real quick. And so we're going to fly through that, check out this brooder, check out these chicks, and we're going to kind of set it all up. Repurposing things first is a really great way to save money, time, and everything like that. And so this way, what we're going to do is build another quick brooder by using the same materials that we did for our first big brooder, and that's actually leftover fence material. We had a neighbor taking down these fences, and so we pulled some of the wood off, and we're going to build ourselves a quick brooder. love to get a mixture of birds instead of just one style. In essence, I guess collectors. So here we've got 8 different new birds. We're hoping white leghorns, a Polish, black copper moran, blue splash moran, exchequer leghorn, golden campine. We're really hoping that some of these are what we thought they are, but this is the best way to introduce them. Instead of just doing the water, doing a little bit of food, going from there. We bought 18 meat birds and actually did the Meyer meal maker to actually get us up to 19, because we know that we are going to be giving away some of our first meat birds, as well as having people over. As part of the process that we want to do to, down the road, sell more of these meat birds for profit. And so we got 19 of them, and the reason we got that number was because of our current chicken tractor. So they're going to stay in the brooder for 1 to 2 weeks. 2 weeks to at least maybe 3, kind of depending on the weather. Today it's a cooler day here in Ohio, and but we want to make sure that we've gotten things going. Right now, our turkeys that we're raising for Thanksgiving are still in the chicken tractor. Once they are out, then the meat birds will go in there, and then we will put another order or so of meat birds in the brooder again. One of the things that's really different with these chickens versus others, as I say this, we are 1 week past getting them. So we've had them, they've been growing for a week. The biggest thing that changes from hens to meat birds is how fast they grow and how much they do eat, as well as drink. We've got different water and a different feeder for these meat birds than we normally have done, and it seems to be working out great. So they'll be in the brooder for a couple more days here now, a week or so. I'm going to hopefully get this video up very soon, but we will be moving the turkeys into a extended run that we built out for them, really, instead of just keeping them in the tractor the whole time, because they're getting too tall already for the current tractor. I do want to build the different tractors now, especially this John Siskovich tractors, so that we can keep turkeys in there a little bit longer, a little bit better than putting them in. But our current setup is doing it this way. One of the things that Jenny and I and the kids and I really do here is we try to make this maintainable for us. So some of the things you might be watching me do, you can't do, or vice versa. You might have more money than what we have, and so you're able to go out and build things and do things differently. But this is what works for us. So take that with a grain of salt. Do it whatever way you want to do, but this is the way God's blessed us, and so we're doing it the way that works for us. It might not work for you, but this is what is currently working for us. But you know, we're just going out there, we're trying, we want to make this happen. Yeah, God's blessed us. Well, thank you for watching this episode again, and we thank you. So from Our Hidden Acre to you, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Help us out here. We love every little thing that God has blessed us with, and we hope that this was a blessing to you. So go out there, grow something, even try your own meat birds. So comment us, follow us on Instagram or here on YouTube for On Our Hidden Acre. So from us to you, God bless.